My dears, have you ever felt that your English is good, you know many words, and you also understand grammar, but still your speaking is not smooth or fluent? You know why does this happen? Okay, in English language, there are 26 alphabet, right? But उन्हीं में से कुछ ऐसे लेटर हैं, अगर आप उनको करेक्ट प्रोनाउंस करेंगे तो मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूं आपकी इंग्लिश विल बिकम मोर फ्लुएंट, क्लियर एंड स्मूथ एज वेल। सो वीडियो को आखिर तक देखें क्योंकि ये वीडियो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग है। Because today I'm going to teach you the correct pronunciation of just two English letters. Yes, just only two letters. But if you learn them correctly, I can confidently say your English speaking will become more natural and fluent. And those two magical letters are C and T. C and T. But before we start a video, if you are new here on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. So now let's start the lessons. First, let's talk about the letter C. My dears, many students always feel confused about its sound. Sometimes C sound like K. For example, the word my dears, look at the words cat, camel, class. Cat, camel, class. It's not K or it's not camel. It's a cat. Cat. And number second, camel. Camel. And number third and last, class. It's not class. It's a class. But here's here we pronounce it strongly like K. But sometimes C sound like S. For example, the word look at the board. City, center, cinema. City, center, and cinema. आप मेरे साथ pronounce करें. City, center, cinema. Here, the sound becomes softer, like S. So remember these simple rules. When C comes before E, I, or Y. When C comes before E, I, or Y, it usually comes S. Otherwise, it sounds like K. Very easy, right? I hope you understand the correct pronunciation of C sound. Now let's move to the second letters, that is T. Okay, this letter is very interesting. Sometimes we pronounce it clearly. Let me give you an examples. Look at the board. Time, table, teacher. It's not time or it's not table. It's a time, table, teacher. It's not teacher, it's a teacher. Okay, अब मेरे साथ pronounce करें एक साथ. Time, table, teacher. Time, table, teachers. Okay, so I hope everybody is clearly understand the correct pronunciation of C and T sound. So today we learn something very small, only two letters, C and T. But remember, fluency doesn't come from big grammar books only. Fluency comes from small pronunciations and improvement. So if you practice these two sounds daily, your speaking will confidence grow and your English will sound more natural and people will understand you more easily. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, because on this channel we will learn English simple, practical and powerful way. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing and keep shining. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and Allah.